Good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to a new video. We have something a bit different today, something a bit special. We're talking big screens. Now, more specifically, this is the LG CreateBoard, their whopping 75-inch version. And in today's video, we're going to dive into some of these special specs, the features, the software that absolutely make this a whopping choice in your big screen journey. Okay, so let's kick things off with the display itself and the visuals, because that's the first thing you're going to notice, the absolute size of this. And as I said at the beginning, this is a whopping 75-inch canvas. But not only is it big and bold and beautiful, you're looking at a super sharp resolution, because with the LG CreateBoard, you're getting 4K Ultra HD. So those fine texts, those videos, they're all going to have super clarity and be super sharp because of the absolute whopping resolution on this screen. LG have also included an IPS panel on this screen, so viewing angles are absolutely no longer a problem. Whether you're sat right in front, off to an angle, the consistency of the image will remain the same. So there's never going to be a bad seat in the house when you're using the LG CreateBoard. This also comes with an anti-glare treatment, so you're going to see reduced haze by about up to 25%. So when you're in those bright environments like reflective windows or big bright lights in the classroom or your office, you're going to see distractions really be reduced because the glare is not going to be there. It makes a big difference to usability in those everyday, normal environments. Now, smartboards are all about interactivity, and the LG CreateBoard has got you covered. You're looking at a whopping 40 touch points. And look at the smooth, satisfying nature of the touch points. Now think about that. You can have multiple students at the board solving a problem together, or maybe your team's brainstorming ideas, and you can all do it totally collaboratively at the same time. Now, the infrared touch technology is highly responsive, so whether you're using one of the included styluses, which feel pretty natural in your hand, or just using your fingers, the board registers your touch quickly and accurately. Writing feels fluid, drawing is precise, and gestures like the pinch to zoom are super smooth. Now, powering this interactive experience is the built-in Android operating system. Now, this makes the LG CreateBoard a standalone solution right out of the box, no PC required for many tasks. It's all designed to be intuitive, much like your smartphone or your tablet. Now, along with the operating system, LG have included some really intuitive and smart software. And the star is the LG CreateBoard Lab. It's their dedicated whiteboarding application. And it's more than just a blank canvas. It offers various teaching templates, different pen tools, rulers, tables, and even allows you to import and annotate images and videos directly. And the impressive software doesn't stop there. You've also got LG CreateBoard Share. Now, CreateBoard Share enables super easy wireless screen sharing. So what you can do, you can cast your screen from laptops, tablets, your phone. Up to 9 screens can even be shown at once. Now, when it comes to plugging things in, the LG Smartboard has given you plenty of options. You'll find multiple HDMI inputs for your laptops, document cameras or other video sources, and there are also several USB ports, including versatile USB-C, which on many models can handle video, data, touch, and even charge your connected laptop with a single cable. Super convenient. And of course, you've got built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to connect those wireless peripherals like your Bluetooth speakers, your wireless keyboards, or your mice. Its versatility does make it a valuable asset in many scenarios. So there we have it. That is your quick introduction to the LG CreateBoard. It is a smartboard that has many capabilities, as we've seen. But what do you think? Is this a smartboard that you would incorporate into your school, into your office environment? Let me know in the comments today. But if you want to find more information, check out the little link in my bio where you can go find out more of the LG CreateBoard.